सो इन दिस वीडियो आई विल टॉक अबाउट फिंगरिंग डूज एंड डोंट्स। मेरे पास एक क्वेरी आई एक लड़की की जिसने कहा, मैम आई हैव अ क्वेश्चन, मी एंड माई बॉयफ्रेंड ट्राइड हैविंग सेक्स while I enjoyed the foreplay and I was aroused as well, but when he inserted his finger inside me and when he kept stroking, I felt pain. So फिंगरिंग जो है ये एक इम्पॉर्टेंट सेक्सुअल टेक्निक है, बट बहुत सारे मर्दों को उनको पता ही नहीं कैसे करते हैं एंड देन दे यूज़ इट वेरी बेसिकली। उनको बहुत ही बेसिक तरह से इट कैन बिकम क्लमजी, इट कैन हर्ट द वुमन एज वेल। सो आई विल टीच यू हाउ यू कैन यूज फिंगरिंग टू योर एडवांटेज टू क्रिएट अ नाइस बेडरूम एक्सपीरियंस एंड सेटिस्फाई योर फीमेल पार्टनर। पहली चीज, यू नो योर हैंड्स आर सो इम्पॉर्टेंट व्हेन इट कम्स टू योर फीमेल पार्टनर प्लेजर। जी हाँ, अपने हाथों का सही इस्तेमाल करना आपको आना चाहिए बेडरूम में। और अगर आप देखो कि जैसे कोई म्यूजिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट है, जैसे वायलिन है, अब जब वायलिन बजाते हो या सितार बजाते हो तो आपके हाथ कितनी खूबसूरती से उस स्ट्रिंग्स को ट्यून करते हैं और इतना सुंदर संगीत निकलता है। तो आपके हाथों में काफी सारा हुनर है। व्हाई डोंट यू यूज योर हैंड्स इन योर इरोटिक प्ले? सो हैंड्स आर एन इम्पॉर्टेंट टूल व्हेन इट कम्स टू प्लेजरिंग योर फीमेल पार्टनर। व्हाई फिंगरिंग इज नॉट टेकन सीरियसली? पहले तो हमारे कल्चर में इंटरकोर्स पे इतना ज़्यादा एम्फेसिस होता है कि मोस्ट मेन थिंक दैट इज़ द बेस्ट थिंग दैट दे कैन डू इन द बेडरूम। बट थिंक अबाउट दिस, लेस्बियन वुमेन, हाउ दे हैव सेक्स? वेल, लेस्बियन वुमेन टेक देयर हैंड्स वेरी सीरियसली। जी हाँ, और हमारे हाथ इतने डेक्स्ट्रस है ना, इतने कुशल हैं, मतलब आप देखो आप इन हाथों से कितने सारे प्रिसाइज मूवमेंट्स कर सकते हो। सो व्हाई डोंट यू यूज दोज हैंड्स गिविंग द प्रिसाइज प्लेजर, एक्चुअल प्लेजर टू योर फीमेल पार्टनर? सो you need to take fingering seriously because fingering is such an important sexual act, and because it is not done properly, so many women and so many girls miss out on the pleasure of fingering. Fingering prepares a woman's vagina. See, it is a known fact that lot of women, they don't come from intercourse alone. When I'm saying coming, they don't orgasm from intercourse alone. They need additional clitoral stimulation, and this is where you can use your fingers to your advantage. Of course, a lot of men will argue that we can give a woman clitoral stimulation through our tongue and mouth, but think about it. There is more strength on your fingers and there is more kind of motion that you can create your fingers. Can you move your tongue like this? No, but you can move your fingers like this, which means you can give a lot of pleasure, exact pleasure, with the strength and the preciseness and the flexibility that your fingers have that your tongue does not have. So clitoral stimulation is important, and women can come from clitoral stimulation, so use your fingers to give her the right clitoral stimulation. Also, when you are using the fingering on the vagina, let us not just jump straight to the intercourse, but let us talk about the outside of the vagina, the walls, the labia, inner labia, outer labia. Using your finger, you can warm up her vagina so that she feels prepared for the next level, which is the intercourse. See, you can still stimulate her with your tongue, and tongue is a beautiful thing in terms of female pleasure. लेकिन जब tongue की बात आती है and when you add fingers, tongue plus fingers is such a masterful, gorgeous, fantastic combination. मतलब आपके पास ज़्यादा tools हैं to pleasure your female partner. So अगर आपकी partner female bodied है, if your partner is a female, you need to pay attention to your hands, your fingers, and how do you use them to pleasure her. जी हाँ, अब मैं ये नहीं कह रही हूँ कि penis is not important or intercourse is not important. Of course, intercourse is great. लेकिन before the actual penis into vagina intercourse, if you have intercourse with her through your fingers, it prepares her. Because क्या होता है, कई बार intercourse होता है वो काफ़ी ज़्यादा उसमें force होता है, थोड़ा वो strong होता है. And a woman's vagina is delicate, it's so flexible, it's so delicate, it's so gentle. So जब आप अपने fingers का use कर रहे हैं, it will prepare her to endure the actual intercourse, which means it is preparing a woman's vagina. Fingering is a must tool. What are the common mistakes men do when it comes to fingering a woman? See, one of the most common mistakes that a lot of men do is, as soon as they get to a woman, straight away वो vagina के अंदर अपना finger लगाते हैं, they start stroking vigorously, and that too in the same motion, like it just goes like this, and that can create pain. Also, a lot of men, because they have the clitoris knowledge, they straight away attack the clitoris and they start stimulating. लेकिन problem क्या होता है, that clitoris is a nerve rich organ. जी हाँ, 8000 nerve endings clitoris में होती है. So if a man directly touches the clitoris, it can get overstimulated. stimulated. It is super sensitive. So you should never ever touch clitoris or the vagina in the first go. So आपको क्या करना है? Keep your pleasure from broad to focus. जी हाँ, first warm up a female body, through kissing, making out, touching her. उसको पूरा उसको body को warm कर, उसकी body को prepare करें, and then you go from the broad to narrow down. So narrowing down means going from her body to her genitals. The second important thing that you have to take care of is when you really reach her genitals. जब आप वहाँ पहुँचते हैं, so you should not just go inside and just stimulate it inside. Lot of women, they are nervous, or they are not ready, or they are not fully prepared. So in that case, if you straight away you finger, like you insert your hand inside her vagina and you start doing it, it can create pain. Also for a female body, blood flow is important. The more blood goes to her genitals, the more engorged the area is. So before even you finger her, how you begin is important. Beginning is very important. So what you need to do is you have to simply start touching her on the outside, touch her on the outside of her vulva, touch her labia, feel it, make her feel good. So women feel really good when you just touch on the outside without removing her panties. Most of the female partner, they will wear panties. So you should not just straight away go put in your finger inside the panty, but just move your hand on the top of her panties, make her feel good, make her feel ready. And as she is getting aroused, as she is getting the touch, क्योंकि आपके हाथ में इतने अच्छे sensations हैं, तो उनको जब वो sensations मिल रहे हैं, उनकी body arouse हो रही है, और जब body का arousal होता है तो blood flow बॉडी में जो ब्लड का सर्कुलेशन है वो बढ़ता है, एंड दैट ब्लड गोज टू द जेनिटल्स ऑल्सो, एंड द जेनिटल्स ऑल्सो स्टार्ट गेटिंग वार्म्ड अप, स्टार्ट गेटिंग रेडी. सो यू नीड टू टेक दैट टाइम व्हेन इट comes to fingering her. So I teach this and lot of many techniques in my Ultimate Foreplay Masterclass, where you will learn how to pleasure her, how to finger her, starting from her outside labia, and how to gracefully penetrate her. A lot of men, they are in such a rush, they will either just clumsily they will touch her body, or they will touch the clitoris and they will start fingering inside. But let me tell you, when it comes to pleasuring a woman, anticipation is the key. When you are building anticipation का मतलब क्या होता है कि you are making her look forward to that pleasure and not just like dump everything in one go, which means before you even finger her, you are going to pleasure her whole body from the outside to the inside, which means warming her body up. You need to pleasure her all the pleasure spots. You have to find maybe back of the knee, cheeks, kissing, making out, holding her, and then you need to proceed towards her center. So you need to make sure that before you even finger her, you need to make it a full body experience. And when it comes to approaching the fingering, always start from the outer labia. जी हाँ, labia is full of nerve endings. उसमें इतने सारे nerve endings होते हैं, इतना nerve ending rich होता है, जो कि woman outer lips होता है. But this is so ignored when it comes to the female pleasure, because the focus is so much on the vagina. So you don't need to exclude labia in your fingering technique, in your fingering methods. And do subscribe to my course, the Ultimate Foreplay Masterclass, if you need to learn how to finger her to get her an orgasm, how to finger her so that she has no pain during intercourse. Fingering, like I said, prepares a woman's vagina for intercourse. So when you do the fingering right, she will have a much better experience in intercourse. So don't ignore fingering as a sexual skill. It's a very important sexual skill, and in my Ultimate Foreplay Masterclass, you will learn the right technique, the right approach to finger her well, so that she has lots of pleasure, she has orgasms, and she has no pain during intercourse.